Hi there, it's time for part 2 of the Match Attax 2018-19 Champions League collection. So far we've opened the starter pack, we've opened the Super Striker Mega Tin, and we've opened 29 regular booster packs. You can see we've done pretty well from that. We've got the full set of the Super Strikers, we've got 500 clubs, and we've got 3 limited editions. We've also got the 101 Salah amongst those as well, which is pretty cool as well. In part 2 we're going to open one of these sort of mini multi-packs. You can see in there's five regular packs. It says that you get 5 packs, doesn't mention anything about whether there'll be a limited edition card in there. The multi-packs do say that you'll get a limited edition in there, so obviously we'll open this one first and see what we get out of here. It does on the back, it says that you'll get a Superstar limited edition, so hopefully we should get a Superstar limited edition in here as well. Like I said, we're already up to 3, so fingers crossed we'll get a different one to what we've already got. You can see there's the pack there, and then we have the 5 booster packs. So we'll open these up and have a look at what we get. In the first pack, we'll take the code out. We have the Manchester City badge. We have Glick, Handanovic, Sturridge, Lo Celso, and we have a Cancelo Speed King card. And then in the next pack, we have Vorma, Berkey, Thomas, Sane, Pellegrini, and we have an Edin Dzeko, man of the match card there with 95 attack for Roma, so a pretty powerful card for 16 million. In the next pack we have a duo card for Mascaral and Bentaleb. And then we have Nagatomo. And then we have Herrera, Toussaint, Semedo, and then we have a goal machine card for Icardi. On to pack number 4. And we have an Atletico badge, Sterling, Sanchez, Robben, and then we have Bonucci, and then we have a Marcelo Real Madrid winners card. And the 5th and final pack, so with any luck we should have a limited edition card in here. So we'll take the code away, and we've got Jordan Henderson, Marcelo, Martins, and Borussia Dortmund badge. And then we have a Jesus man of the match card there with a 92 for attack. And then we do have a limited edition, so if we try and reveal this, it's Manchester United, so it's definitely one we've not got so far, and it is a Paul Pogba Superstar limited edition. So like we were saying before, we've got 4 so far. We've got Coutinho, Messi and Neymar. We now also can add to that collection Paul Pogba, which is pretty cool. Like he is in the Match Attax, he's pretty good on attack and defence. So you've got 85 defence and 88 attack, so a pretty decent one if you're looking to hedge your bets. And like I said, we've got the Jesus man of the match as well, so we'll put that up there. So moving on to the first of the 2 actual sort of regular size multi-packs. Having seen what we've got in that first multi-pack, you'd think they could probably just reduce the size of this A4 card down to that, and obviously you get the same cards and the same, you could easily do it that size, which would probably work out a little bit better. So then into the first pack here we have De Rossi, we have Harit, Luiz, Cools. It looks like the limited edition is in the back of this one, so maybe we'll save that to the end. Got Cools, and then we have Vanaken Pass Mastercard. So like I say, we'll just put that one down there for a minute, and we'll save the limited edition card to the end, just to add a little bit of excitement to the video. And then we have Kimpembe, Kluivert, Pereira, De Hood, then we have a Tottenham badge, and then we have Demabai, man of the match card there for Hoffenheim. So a pretty cool card. Like I've said in the previous videos, definitely these man of the matches are definitely of all the Match Attax collections we've collected, these are definitely the best looking man of the match cards we've had so far. In the next packet we have Malcolm, Albiol, Valero, Martins, and we have Zaza and Rodrigo duo, and a Rodrigo Speed King card. On to the next pack. We have Ribery, Schopf, De Gea, Mahrez, Vogt, and a Sergio Ramos Real Madrid winners card. And the next pack we have, the final one from this multi-pack, we have Chan, Henderson, Cornet, Gabriel, a Galatasaray badge, and then we have a Kevin De Bruyne Passmaster card. Pretty cool card there. Making a bit of a strange expression in that photo, but what can you do? 85 attack as well. So the limited edition we got in this first pack is, if we have a look, it is David De Gea with 97 defence. So that now puts us up to 5 variations of limited edition. There are 11. So very happy that already after opening, we've opened quite a few packs, but not really too many. So we're now on 5 of the Super Squad limited editions, which is pretty cool. And obviously 97 attack there for 9 million will be one I suspect most people will have in their gameplay squads. So on to the second multi-pack. Obviously we opened the bottom one first, which had the limited edition, so perhaps this time we'll start from the top. Here we have Marquinhos, Otavio, Diawara, Rodri, a Schalke badge, and a Ronaldo goal machine card there with 90 attack. So goal machines are, I think that's probably just part of the, I don't think that is part of the Real Madrid squad. I'm just having a look. Oh, Juventus. Oh yeah, it is part of the Juventus squad. So that's a very nice card there as well with 90 for attack. I've seriously glued these packs to these cards. A serious amount of glue. Let me take the cards off the sheet. Then we have Shaqiri, Dele Alli, Wolf, Juventus badge. Then we've got Robertson and Alexander-Arnold duo, and then a Cruz winners card. So the final 3 packs. We haven't had a 100 club from the limited these multi packs so far, so it'd be good to get at least one of those. Although we have done pretty well from what we've already opened. And we have Goretzka, Mandzukic, Ferry, Jovetic, Schalik, and then we have an Amiri Passmaster card for Hoffenheim. So the last but one pack. We have Arthur, Martinez, Salah, Neto, and then we have a Kadrabek and Vote duo card, and then we have a Jesus Man of the Match, again one that we've seen previously in this video. So now the final pack, which again should have the limited edition card in. We have Muller, Lamela, Jesus, Ahulu and Tielemans, and then we have a Kramaric goal machine card, and then we have a Barcelona limited edition card, so I'm suspecting it might be Messi. No, it's not Messi. We have Coutinho. This is our first duplicate limited edition, but from all the packs and things we've opened, we've done pretty well just to have the one. But again, any limited edition is always a good one to have, so we can offer that for trade. But overall, we're very happy with what we've got. Like I say, these aren't actually out in the UK for another 2 or 3 weeks. We've got these from Hungary, so they are pretty cool. So please keep checking out the other videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.